In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compose and send an email using Zoho Mail. Whether you're new to this platform or just need a refresher, follow along as we walk through each step. First things first, let's navigate to the Zoho Mail website. Simply open your preferred web browser and enter https://mail.zoho.com in the address bar. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password handy. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, ready to manage your inbox. Now, to start a new email, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen, just above where your inbox and other folders are listed. There, you'll see a prominent button labeled with a plus icon and the words New Mail. Click on that, and a new Compose window will appear, ready for you to draft your message. Let's begin with the basics. First, in the To field, you'll need to enter the recipient's email address. Make sure it's accurate to avoid sending your message to the wrong person. Next, look down slightly and fill in the subject line. Craft a concise and clear subject that hints at the content of your email, as this helps recipients prioritize and understand the context of your message. Now let's move on to the body of your email. This is the space provided for your main message. Take your time to write clearly and convey your thoughts or information effectively. Consider breaking up long paragraphs to make them easier to read, and don't be afraid to proofread before you send it. In addition to the essentials, Zoho Mail offers some optional features to enhance your email. If you need to include additional recipients or want to send a copy to yourself, you can click on the CC or BCC options to add those addresses. Furthermore, if you have attachments to include, locate the paperclip icon, usually positioned near the bottom of the Compose window. Click this, and you'll be able to browse your computer for the necessary files. There's also a variety of formatting options available if you need to make certain parts of your email stand out more. Whether it's applying bold text, changing font colors, or inserting hyperlinks, these tools help ensure your message gets the attention it deserves. Once you're satisfied with your email's content and checked for any errors, locate the Send button at the bottom left corner of the Compose window. A simple click will send your email off to the recipient. And that's it! You've just composed and sent an email using Zoho Mail. I hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and happy email.